Oh.
Try again.
Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Let me see the skip one more time. All right, what's up, y'all? We are back at the property, and today we are gonna work on something cool, the solar ground mount.
I think so.
Check it out. The grass has started growing back, whatever kind of, they call it water grass. It started growing back, but it's only been a weekend or a week. We did this last weekend and it is starting to grow back, so we're gonna have to hit that with a weed eater, or maybe not, and then just fill this in. That's where we left off. Check it out. We want to send shout outs to our Homestead Homies.
Shout out.
We appreciate y'all, man. Look, a link will be down in the description or whatever. If you guys like this kind of content, go check them out. It's on a web page. It's timetotiny.com/network. Go check them out. We are going to be figuring out, y'all, kind of staking off where we want things. And yeah, I think y'all can see what that is. That's one of the solar panels. So we're gonna work on this ground mount today. We pulled one out just to see and get the dimensions so we can get this ground mount done. And yeah, there goes some more geo-textile fabric. And this is what we're gonna be using today. None other than, yeah, y'all, it's bed railing. We not cheap, I promise. But those are just regular old bed rails. We're gonna be cutting them pieces off and pick these up for a little or nothing. Check it out. You can see what we picked them up for. All right. Let's see. Okay, tell me what you like. Did you find my tape measure? No?
But I brought this.
So that's 10 foot right there. Where your stakes at? Let's push some stakes in the ground. Why not? You can come hit him in that 6 foot right there. Get you another one. Hey, you want to try the mallet?
That's too late. Oh. Okay.
10 is about right there. Oh.
Try again. Oh. Try this.
Oh. That's messed up. So not knowing whether that's straight across or not, we gonna go right here. All ballpark. Right there's the 6 across. And then 10. Hold up, man.
What in the world?
We got another stake. Where's the I think it's a root or something right there. Where's the other hammer? Okay, walk down here. Walk down here. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Let me see the skip one more time. Oh, that is damn ridiculous.
You like
Okay.
it? Up the last part of this little triangle that we have left, and we'll see what happens because it's extra windy and I'm by myself since he's on the tractor over there. Ain't this fun? So I'm not sure where the mallet went. All right, babe, driveway done.
Them little scraggly pieces.
Woo!
Roll back that way. Roll all the way up the driveway.
I'll be hurting.
Go ahead. Let's see what it looked like. Oh, I'm gonna have to speed this up in the video so they can.
Who's gonna massage me later?
We finna figure out a spot real quick to put these solar panels. If you walk this way with me, you can get your phone out and find south. Right.
Yeah, right here.
Right. Yeah.
How big does it need to be?
It needs to be wide enough for 4 or 5 based on 3 posts. Let me bring the panel over here. So here's the deal. You want them to line up south. Here's the question. Four of those or 5 of those? Okay, we'll do 5 of them. How much is 5 of them?
That's 190.
Okay.
Which is gonna be 15 feet, almost 16 feet. So here. Then you would do 7.5. What's your middle?
That's my middle. So that's for 5 across.
You don't want to just bring the tractor and load all the stuff in the bucket?
Using this old wood from another project, and we're gonna end up treating it and cutting off the edges because it's a little bit rotted, but I think this is just regular old framing lumber, so it's gonna work just fine for what we're trying to do. This is temporary power, solar power source, so we'll see where we get. I think that's it, and then we can cut it. All right. Let me show you real quick. This is gonna get us what we need. I don't have my tape measure, so I'm gonna take 2 of these pieces of wood. So there's my 2 inches.
You mean 3 inches?
I mean my 3 inches, sorry. And then that's gonna be my cut length of that piece of wood. And now we just need to figure out these. So we have 2 of these already decently sized. Just need to figure out where they're gonna go and cut another one to that size while I'm up here cutting. We are making a cheap solar panel ground mount out of what we have. For one, because it's fun, and for 2, it's because we reusing stuff. Save the earth. My hammer and my punch. Punched out. We're just gonna take and cut off end to end. But we'll put that one in and then measure 15 and then put the other one in.
Okay.
And since it's on the line, we'll be okay.
A little bit more. So yeah. So it's not leaning back because you lean back when you hit.
Oh.
A little lower.
On what side?
Almost dropped the bottom to the floor right there.
Just give me 2 close line markings. Yeah. Now, gonna get our drill on real quick. Slow and steady wins the race, but man, what we can do here? All right, what you paying for, girl? Okay.
All right, do you want to do this measurement thing again?
Let's knock this out and be done. Okay, so the question is how far from the base up do we go? Yeah, you know I know what I'm looking like on that. Let's put your phone on and see where we at.
$31. Go down. 30.
That's 30?
29. That's 30. 29. Ooh. That's 29. Go up. Right there. That's 30.
That's 30? Mm-hmm. We was wrong. And there she blows.
Damn, that shit was hot.
Was it hot? Okay.
What's wrong?
All right, you got your screw. Lock washer. Nut. All right. There you go.
Oh, what's going that way?
Go. Can it go in?
Oh, that's good.
Okay. Let me have the drill real quick. Knock out these other holes. It's getting dark on us. The sun is getting it set on back there. and we are getting ready to load up, leaving all of that stuff out here, solar panel, all that out here. But we are loading up and getting ready to go back home for now. This is as far as we got. We got the degree right. So the angles is going to be right for the solar panel to fit up there. We got one side right, which is the reference side, and then when we come back, we'll pull a string line. We'll get all of the bed rail angle iron pieces plumb. And if you having any questions, we are gonna cut the tops of those bed rails off flush with the wood. So we tired. We appreciate y'all tuning in. Again, shout out to the Homestead Homies. It's important that we grow, and if y'all like the content, go check them out. I told you in the beginning of the video where to go. That's it.
Peace out.
I lied, we weren't done yet. What'd you say?
You didn't show them the stake off of the deck.
Of the whole, okay, because I didn't tell them anything. All right, y'all, so there's the driveway. We are losing light fast. And I'll go into more detail with this as we progress. But if we're on the driveway and we pull around, as you see, there will be a walkway. All of that will be grass, but if you could see those two sticks, one there and one there, it's 6 foot wide, and it'll get to about 8 foot wide on the back, and then it'll be steps that step up to a deck in this area. This is the side of the whole deck, and it'll go back 25 feet and over 33 feet. So from this side, it'll go back 25 feet just like from that side. And then of course, if I walk there, from this stick, we didn't pull a string yet. I still need to level all this out. It'll go to that stick right over there. I hope y'all can see it on the video. And that's another 33. So the deck itself is going to connect our tiny houses. We plan on having, what happened?
I was trying to show you where the stick was.
Where the stick was? Stick is right there. Delirious. What was I saying? So anyway, the deck is gonna probably be 25 by 33 feet. Not exactly sure yet. And then there'll be 4 tinies, which I've seen online, something called a deconstructed villa, but this is our take on it because there'll be tiny homes on wheels. But all 4 sides will have a tiny home, yes?
Yes.
So one tiny home for me and the wife, another tiny home for my 14-year-old, another tiny home for my 12-year-old, and then a kitchen. And that's all I'm gonna say right now, because it's kind of hard to explain, but yeah. And it'll be on all 4 sides. So technically, y'all, that whole area you see, sticks over there and over there, this whole thing in here is going to be open space for the family to come out, see each other. The kitchen area / living room, tiny, will kind of be its own thing. It's probably where we'll live most of the time, spend our time together. And then yeah, everybody go back to their tinies, and I get to teach my children how to be responsible kind of on their own, but just across the way. So it's like a deconstructed home or deconstructed villa. So it's gonna be dope. Hopefully it catch on. People be like, damn, that's dope, I want to do that too. Or not. But this time, we really out.
Yes, we have to go.
Peace.
I'm tired.
All right, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Holla.